it's Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I am revisiting the fold. Everybody who was on my case journey with me throughout various videos recommended I try another case, which I thought was a little expensive considering I could buy multiple cases for the price of this one. I figure I'll review it, give it a shot. First and foremost, I'm gonna shout out Lon Denard, because this is his favorite case, the case he lives by. This is the Slim Armor Pro by Spigen. Me and Spigen haven't had the best history when it comes to fold cases. I like them for other cases that I've purchased, but the first Spigen case I purchased from them didn't work out so well. So let's go ahead and unbox this bad boy and get it on the phone and see how it works out for me. Shout out to Grogu ×2, and this was manufactured December of 2020. When I went back to the website to try to get a link for this case, this color was gone. I went looking for new Z Fold cases and saw that they had this one in bronze, and I said, well, I'll give it a try since it's in bronze. Yes, color did make a difference, and I see right away that we're back on the double-sided tape in L-shaped form. There's a piece to protect the hinge here with padding. See, my fingernail made marks in there. I'm thinking that will go back to normal after a while, or I've permanently damaged the case. We'll see. This side is the same way. Is that padding or tape? Look at me get ready to tear up the case. Okay, that's padding before I tear up the case. And again, your double-sided sticky L tabs. Let's pull the directions out. See if they say anything different than what I say. There's extra tape for y'all. Ooh, so you don't have to go buy more. If you want to apply your additional adhesive strips, they tell you where to put them. And they tell you how to put this bad boy on. Please remove protective film. I'll remove it, people, but I really just don't think it's gonna stick to the phone. It didn't stick to it on the last one. Then it tells you to push all these different sides in. Front, push, and then there's the back, and then they're gonna have another push. So you're gonna have to push all the sides to make it stick to the phone. Woohoo. I will use their adhesive strips. I'm not adding any more. So we'll start out with the front piece, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces of adhesive strip on the inside. Let's start taking these stickers off. All right. I have fingernails and this is a task. I got the first off. Get off my hand. Okay, let's get them all off before we start. 2, 3. Ooh, look at there, a whole piece came off. And that's when they say, hey, we sent you extra. Man, it's supposed to be so good. Why didn't it stay in the phone? Gosh. I'm having another one come up, people. So that's 2 complete pieces that have come out. Please don't tell me I need to be gentle with a $90 case, because I shouldn't have to be gentle. And I have one more to try to get out, but it looks like the whole sticker is going to come out. All right, so 3 of my adhesives came off during the removal of the actual piece of paper that was supposed to come up. I'm still going to put it on because I'm not an adhesive fan anyway. So they told me to put it on and they told me to press, press, press. Appearance wise, it is pretty, and it closely matches the real color of the phone. So let's get to the back side. So the back side has 1, 2, 3, 4, just 4 pieces, but we have our cushion back here. First piece comes off just fine. Second piece comes off just fine. Third piece isn't gonna make it. Third piece came off. Mind you, this is me again with fingernails. Alright, so I kept 3 out of 4 on the back side. Shout out to everybody who told me this case wasn't thick. Because it is thick. It's not that thick, maybe? That's what I was told. This is a big whopper of a case. Nice Spigen branding across the back side. We got cutouts for our ports, microphone, speaker, charging ports, power on and off, fingerprint sensor, which does have complete access for me to get my finger back there. Volume rocker is completely exposed. Hump around the camera, so you do have camera protection. My only complaints would be about with this case is for everybody who told me the Rinky was slippery, this is a slippery case. This is way too thick for my liking. If you work construction or things of that nature, this would be great for you because it has actual hinge protection. It's just super thick. Lately, I've been using the back of my Crystal Palace with the front of my Rinky case, and that seems to be a perfect combination for me. That's what I'm currently driving with. I don't see any purpose for me to really need a case this thick. But again, this is going to be perfect for people who work in rough environments. This is going to be perfect for people who are clumsy and drop their phones a lot. And if you can find the bronze and you have the bronze model and don't want the black, this will probably be good for you. I know I didn't get all the sticky pieces in, but I think more or less what's going to keep this from moving so much is the hinge protector. Being it's back here, it doesn't allow for a lot of movement on the front end of this case, and that's where a lot of cases move, are on the front end. I don't see a lot of movement here. The back, I don't really see moving either. And there's a rubberized kind of material that goes around the outside of the case, whereas this is like just plastic. Same rubberized material that's on the hinge. Stuff from the top is good, from the bottom is fine. But I know most of the time people are more concerned about these side swipe gestures than anything else. And they're about equal to my Rinky. I'm not gonna say they're super thicker. So I have to say, I picked up this case based on my subs. I reviewed it for y'all, but for me it's just not a keeper. It's way too thick. Yeah, I just wanted to follow up and say, hey, I'm still using my phone. A lot of people have asked me, hey, you got the iPhone, what did you do with your phone? I have 2 SIMs, 2 carriers, and I use both phones. Shout out to everyone, and I mean everyone, who asked me to review this case. It wasn't just Lon. There were tons of people in the comments that wanted to see me review this case. I was really hoping that I was gonna like this case and be wrong about my thoughts of wanting to use this case. I was hoping it would be thinner, and it's just not. I did experience it. Many people pass judgment on cases or phones, etc., any kind of technology before they've used it. I can actually say I purchased it, I used it, I didn't like it, I returned it, versus, oh, that's not the case for me. And people say, well, she didn't even give it a shot. Gave it a shot, don't like it, too thick. So with that, we'll wrap this up. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video and you're not subscribed, you can click the nice little subscription button down at the bottom, hit the notification bell, and hit the thumbs up on this video. I'll check y'all out on the next one. Holla!